Don't put your hands on me.
When you are attacking me,
don't put your hands on me.
don't take my
Don't
picture.
put your hands on me.
Side here, then latch me brace into this truck man over there and squeeze me around.
Yeah, Labourite win. Rasta trim.
Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Hey, what my people, manners and respect to each and everyone. But there again, you see. Yeah, so my people, I saw a video that shows some things that happened when a law enforcer was looking in the direction of at least two persons who was on top of a motor vehicle. And eventually they came from off the motor vehicle and very subscribers. So then I said, no, listen to me. In my point of view, those persons was part of the support for at least one political party within the country of Jamaica. But whatever you do, please do so safely. You see me? And let me give you an example as to what I'm talking about. So I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person fell from a moving motor vehicle. Yeah, this video I recorded within the country of Jamaica that I'm about to present to you, very subscribers. Now, I'm not going to jump to the conclusion and accuse the person of what the person might be doing or so forth. You understand me? No, me not going to do that because the video did clearly show certain things. But we get the understanding from this video that I'm about to present to you that the video shows some things that happened when a person fell from a motor vehicle that was moving, viewers subscribers. And I really and truly hope that the person is okay. I hope for the best for that person. You see me? But anyways, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. What am I talking about, people? See that? You see that? You see what going on with some people? No, I'm not going to jump to no conclusion. Yes, I kind of see certain things in the video, and the video shows a certain amount of persons with parts of their bodies protruding from motor vehicle and so forth. So I say, I'm not going to jump to the conclusion and go say what is what. The main thing that I'm trying to point out to each and everyone is that, yes, each and every one have a right to their own decision and so forth, but please, whatever you're doing, please do so safely. Think about your health and the safety of others. Leave a comment or comments to me know what to think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. The next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a Rasta man locks had been cut. If you're subscribers, some people might say, oh, the Rasta trim. But people, in my point of view, everyone have a right to make their own decision. As some look upon life, eh? So if a person decides they want to do what they want to do, that's for them thing. However, I want to listen to some words that have been said in this video that I'm about to present to you. Observe.
Yeah, Labourite win. Rasta trim. How you mean? Real Labourite win. A Rasta man a trim. A dazzling cut salon. What up the thing, make them see what all it is. Labour Rasta man trim.
Well, that kind of that's a certain amount in my point of view. See, I say, what make it sometimes like there are some persons who might find some form of excitement out of a Rasta man trimming the hair or so forth. So I say, yeah, it's more than one piece of videos about that whole thing right there, some people. So I say, and the next thing that I've been thinking is, what does one have to do with the other? Because me notice me here, Labourite, and me hear the word win.
The time comes to trim, but a Labourite a win. Rise the cake.
So you go when there are persons just enjoy themselves and enjoy life and all the vibes some of the times. So I say, alright, so that one will topic. Oh, you can leave a comment or comment let me know what you think about that. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show some things that happened during some type of an argument or confrontation between at least 2 persons. And one of the reasons why this video somewhat caught my attention is because me hear someone mention Jamaica in the video in a certain type of way where, you know, I don't appreciate it. You see what I say? So in the video here when someone, I mean, just look and listen to the video for yourself, my people. You understand me? And pay attention to what a person who you can hear in the video was saying pertaining to battles or something like that. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Don't take no food on me. Don't take no food on me.
Don't put your hands on
Now
me.
you don't take my food.
Don't put your hands.
Why don't take my picture?
Don't put
Why
your
don't
hands
take
on
my
me.
picture?
Don't put your hands on me.
When you are attacking me,
Don't put your hands on me.
don't take my
Don't put your
picture.
hands on me.
Don't take my picture.
Don't put your hands
Man,
on me.
don't take my picture.
Don't put your hands.
Oh.
Calm down.
Take them waters. Take them. The police was said take the waters. It's your place. Nasty Jamaica garbage. Move.
You look nasty little piece of...
Get a license
Take
plate
the
number.
waters.
You're
Yeah.
nasty.
Take them.
She's stealing them bottles.
Right to say take them. This is my place.
Calm down. Alright? You can't just take the bottles from here.
Sir, just come out of my way. They're down for us. You don't touch my car. No, don't touch my car.
You hear those words?
You come taking
This
pictures.
lady just steal 2 bottles.
Steal 2 bottles. You going to jail because you killed 10 people in Jamaica. You take that little whore in. Got the garbage from the hotel. You take them bottles to go.
I hope you hear those words, my
When you
people.
got got the foreigner.
Yeah.
When the police comes in, that's right there. Picture.
Yeah? Now, just in case if you don't hear what the person said, let me make sure I play it, or let me point out just at least, let me point out these parts that me find that somewhat caught my attention. Listen to this part. Listen what the person right here. So listen.
Yes. Nasty Jamaica garbage.
You hear those words? Alright, and listen to this next part now. Listen.
They're down for us.
And listen to this part.
You going to jail because you killed 10 people in Jamaica.
So based on those words that have been said, viewers and subscribers, if you're a person from a country that the person mentioned, I mean, how would you think about what the person said? I'm not being disrespectful, and you know, I try to be as respectable as possible. However, some words said in that video, I think were unkind, not nice. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think about that whole situation. Okay, people, so I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a truck that was being operated by someone hit and pushed a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone, which also caused the motor vehicle to hit at least part of another motor vehicle. Now, I don't have any confirmed information to determine exactly where the video recorded, but one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you so that you can look at the video and leave a comment or comments to let me know who you think might be at fault when it comes on to this incident, viewers and subscribers. Take a look at this video. Just take a look at this video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Watch it. So bad that people. Watch it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah? Alright, so in my point of view, this is what I think. You see what I say? Because I'm not sure how this whole thing might be looked at when it comes on to the law or by law enforcers or so forth. But in my point of view, seeing me say wrongs from both sides, but I think that the person who was driving the smaller motor vehicle might be at more of a fault. And the reason why I'm saying that is because of the way how that motor vehicle go around the corner and the truck was at a certain position. You see what I say? So and then again, the truck driver might not see certain things too, because driving a truck is not the same as operating a smaller motor vehicle. People, I see more than one fast. Leave a comment and comments, let me know what you think about that whole situation. Alright, I'm going to listen to some words that have been said in the next video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers, subscribers, pertaining to an accident. Listen, look, and observe.
This man, he lashed me from this side.
You see this side of the motor vehicle?
This one side here, then he lashed me brace into this truck man over there and squeezed me around. Soon this man front clear me, because it's in the front time I go to meet. Soon this man front clear me, and you can't come in union. I can't leave. There's a unit of big truck on the come over here. Stop bringing the man around. Come on, pull it. Stop the man like me. Pushing me because this truck done them up here. Get the man stop pull brakes.
Yeah, so in my point of view, I see faults from both sides, but if so be the case, I think that the person who was operating the smaller motor vehicle might be more at fault. And that's in my point of view. You can leave a comment or comments, let me know if you think I am wrong or if you think I'm right, but that's what me think. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.